bitch. Orange bitch. Baby.
Push it down, like. Fucking bitch. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. And from the title down below, you don't know, so today we are got the movies and we are going to basically a adventure park. So right now we are heading to the Wharf. First we're gonna watch a movie Bad Boys at AMC, and then we'll be going on the Ferris wheel and getting something to eat after all of that. So make us up the talking. No, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
Well, anymore. That's what we should be talking about.
I want to see the real you.
If we stay here, we die.
I have a plan.
It's the end of days. No more people. No more New York. No more nothing. We're not late, okay? You're just anxious.
No, I'm anxious because you made us late. And I'm not doing this with you in the next phase of our lives. You're going to respect my time.
get any break. I'm used to getting a break like mid movie, but we did not get any break. The movie I give it a 8 out of 10. Yeah, I don't know, like it did want something else, but it was really good. Look at my outfit. So let's go try out this photo booth right here. What? Yes. Up. Use the up and down button. So up. Up. Okay. Ability is download from.
Grab. You need to grab your one.
I can do it.
So, it's a thief.
Yeah.
Wait. Anyway, I take a picture of the back to the thief.
Grab a giant slice here. That door.
Or that them do.
Alright, cool. We can stand? Huh? No standing? Alright. That's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus have mercy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus have mercy. Little shrimp. So I'm so hungry and I'm trying to find something to eat, so that's what I'm trying to find. There's a concert, I don't know the name of. Guys, this is fucking crazy. Guys, you know the restaurant where they on TikTok where they might treat you bad and treat you sarcastic, but in it right now. Oh my god, the man I call me loser. This is crazy. The man said, come on, Lucy. Just what you want.
Whatever. Hi, girl. What's on now?
So I'm not gonna lie, the food hit. Like, I love the food. The food tastes really good. The restaurant named Dick's. So please don't rush in my comment section. We're doing a smartiness. But I guess the name, like, it was literal. I guess the name was like deliberate. Like, they wanted it to be to name Dick's because of how they treat people. Like, first you come up to the host stand and then they will explain like the procedures and everything, and then if you want the waiter to behave normal, they will. But if you want them to behave sassy and sarcastic, they won't do that too. So guys, I just came from out of the restaurant. The food is so good. I can't believe the food was that good. Like, it was really good. Like, I really like it. So I'm just here waiting on the Uber to go home. I had such a wonderful day. The movie was so good. I said, guys, like, the movie, you know, I mean, no, I should have people before I'm going to the movie. TMI, by the way, but I have to tell you the tea. So, one people I'm a run out. And then I move, but I miss about 5 minutes. I miss about 5 minutes of the movie. But that don't matter. That don't matter. Because I want a bladder. Dick's, the restaurant is called Dick's. See, I'm not lying. Dick's was really nice. Dick's was really nice. Food was nice. So basically, they are sarcastic and they are rude to you. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I actually went to a restaurant that had that type of, you know, customer service. It's like rude and sarcastic. So basically, I went in. He was like, "Follow me, losers." I was videoing myself, and the girl was like, "Put on your phone." I was like, oh. I was so embarrassed. Like, y'all didn't have to come at me like that. Like, y'all doing too much. But that's how it goes. I love tonight. Tonight was so good. I'm definitely coming back over here. Like, no cap. I definitely I'll come back over here. Right now I'm so sleepy, so I'm gonna go and beat off. Take off my makeup and chill. There is a concert happening over the other side. I'm gonna find out who is performing. Is a big star, I guess, because persons from all over has flown in to see him. Something about brand or something like that. So I guess it's a big deal. So I don't know if you can't hear, but yeah, he's a big deal here. So lots of people fly in to come see him. So yeah, I'm tired. But guys, I'm gonna work up on the video. When I reach home, I'm done the video. I want to talk to you a little bit more. Guys, check the fit. Like, I got this from Temu for like $7, $6, $7. Like, don't play with me. And the material nice. You know, I just love Bridget. So I have a Bridget, and I got this bag from Temu for like about $3. But my day is the same way. I'm gonna reach home and chat to you. As we have reached the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And for the final review, so the movie Bad Boys, I give it an 8 out of 10. For the Ferris wheel, I give the Ferris wheel a 7 out of 10. I was so scared, especially when I was at the top. For the food at Dick's restaurant, I would give it a 9 out of 10. And for the entire night and just how smoothly the night went, I'd give the night a 10 out of 10. Vibes was check and on point. Thank you guys once more for watching. Don't forget to continue sharing the content. Bye.